Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl 𝐒𝐁𝐿 and I am back today with a tutorial, as you already read in the title, for your eyelashes. I want to make sure everyone has the option of slaying, looking beautiful, making it affordable, and of course being safe because we are stuck in a house. Quarantine is back on, masks on, and yeah, your girl wants to look cute, but I don't want to put myself at risk. So we're going to be cute, we're going to be safe, and we're going to slay. And this video today is me sharing with y'all how I do my lashes at home. If you want to see how it is that I did these beautiful lashes, stay tuned. So yeah, I'm really digging that these lashes, you can use a couple of them and be done with your whole eye. I am going to be using some simple tweezers, nothing fancy about my tweezers, and I'm going to be using this eyelash individual lash glue, which is from Duo. So it's not hair glue. Do not use that. We are grown. We are adults now. Please stop using hair glue on y'all's eyes, okay? Don't do that. Do not use the strip lash glue. The same company that you get your strip lash glue from, more than likely they also offer the Duo. Or they offer, I'm sorry, the individual lash glue. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And what I like to do as far as best practice, I like to put a little dab. My daughter would cringe if she just saw me do that. But long story short, you would put a little dab on the plastic and you would kind of dip your lash in the glue, and I like to kind of wave it a little bit and then put it on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what I do, but I'm gonna try to walk through it. I do know that once I'm doing it, it may be hard for y'all to see. So two options. My best friend and I, we just did our lashes like maybe 3 weeks ago, and that's why I'm doing this again, because I loved how they last. I loved how they look. I got to get up and go. But you can do it either on top of your eyelids, like on top of your eyelashes, or underneath your eyelashes. I think if you're a beginner, you can do the on top of your eyelashes because it's a little bit easier, but I'm going to do underneath the eyelashes. And when you do that, you can try to tape your eye closed, tape your eye open, because you don't really want to blink, or you can have a fan nearby. I'm going to show y'all the simplest way of doing it, which is just these 3 items right here. This is all you need. You just need your lashes, your Duo, and your tweezers. So I will be putting my lashes underneath my eye instead of on top of my eyelash, because I think it looks more natural that way. And only thing you have to be careful of, because I have made this mistake in the past, okay? You want to be careful that you do not actually put your eyelash too far back under your eyelid, because it will be very uncomfortable. It's going to feel like you constantly have something poking you in your eye, and it's just not a good look, okay? You're going to end up washing it off or trying to pull them off. So I'm going to again try to zoom in, but you really want to be careful. You don't want to push your, if you're going to do it underneath your lash line, do not put these lashes too far back, okay? So I'm going to be lifting my eye up as well, like this. That way I can keep my eye open, because you're going to want to naturally blink, and I'm going to be fanning my eye so that it can dry, because that's important. You don't really want to let your eyes close, because sometimes your eyes will water, and that will also cause your lash to come off. So everything that I'm doing, I'm going to try to show you as I do it, as a talk through. If it doesn't work out, I end up doing a talk over, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. One thing you can do is also put your lashes on top of a paper. That way you can kind of get an idea of what it may look like on your eyes. So you have a couple of options. You can go for a demi shape, where you're going small, small, medium, large, large, something like that. But I want the shape where it's longer in the middle and shorter on the outside edges. So I know that I'm going to be putting short, short, medium, probably short, short, medium, long, long. I don't know, but I'm going to be doing it so that it's longer in the front and shorter on the edges. That's just the kind of lash that I typically buy and the kind of lash that I like. So that's the kind of lash I'm going to do. Now, these are what the lashes look like. I'm gonna go ahead and gently pull from the middle. I try to get up underneath there to pull it off. See? I like to hold the lash kind of like in the bend part. And you can decide if you want to put the glue on the top because you're going to be putting it under your lash, or if you can put the glue on the bottom because you're going to be putting it on top of your lash. We're going to be doing it on the top because I want to put it under the lash. This stuff does burn a little bit if you get it in your eye, so be careful. But it's still safe for your eye. That's what I'm saying. I shouldn't be using hair glue. In my case, I'm going to start from the outside edge. I'm going to get my thing in place. This is the little dab of glue. And remember, I'm going to put it, let me start on this eye. I'm going to put it under. I might have to switch devices. Ugh. I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all one. Hopefully I can show you guys. This is kind of harder than I thought. Can you see the glue? I'm gonna dab a little bit off. It just needs to be on there. It doesn't have to be drenched. Make sure you get the edges. Now I'm going to let it dry just a bit. I'm going to lift my eye up and put it right at the bottom of my lash line, and I'm gonna hold it there. I put it there. This process, once you get the hang of it, will become easier and easier. One thing I can say is, as you try to place the eyelashes underneath your eye lash line, you have to kind of get your hand in a good position. Sometimes the lash will fall and then you'll have to restart. So of course, this is me giving you a tutorial on how to do it, and it's kind of fast, you know, as far as showing you, but this literally took me maybe around 20 minutes an eye. Honestly, it could have been a little bit longer the first eye because I really had to get the hang of it. Plus I was trying to record, but honestly, you will get faster as you do it. Some pro tips that I will give to you is that you need to make sure that you do not use a whole lot of glue on your lash. So kind of dip it in the glue and then kind of take a little bit off. There needs to be like a thin line. What I found is that at the end, I saw that even though my glue was clear, it looked kind of shiny. And I think that was because I used too much glue. So that's just a note for next time. Also, I felt like I needed a little bit more hair in the inner corner of my eye and the outer edges of my eyelash. So I went ahead and took one of these lash bundles and I actually cut it in half. So that's something else that I would give as a pro tip is do not be afraid to trim the lashes as you need in case you need to make a smaller section of a lash. So altogether, really easy process. Practice will make perfect. Do not get frustrated. Take a little break. I know I did. In the future, I'm going to go ahead and get the other kind of lash, the one that has like a thinner profile, not so thick, not the full glam, but you'll see options if you go to the store. And again, I will put a link down below for you. But once you do one eye, you go ahead and do the other. Another pro tip is to go ahead and maybe blow on it or use a fan. That way you can go ahead and let the glue get a little bit tacky before you stick it onto your eyelash or underneath your eyelash. And of course, you may want to have a fan or something close that you can fan your eye to kind of dry it. I like to push my lash up because I feel like it needs to dry in that position so that they're not going straight out. You want it to fan up. You don't want it to fan straight. So these are my tips.
I want to feel anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. Nobody proper than you. I know. One go ahead, reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it, my.
So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you were able to slay your lashes. Now that I'm done and I kind of cut the last one, I really do like the way that it looks. I kind of wish I went with the lighter one because these are really bold and really dark. And they're very long. So actually I could have just done all shorts and maybe 1 or 2 mediums, but these are a mixture of mediums, longs, and smalls, okay? So, and they should last about 2 to 3 weeks. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of how they look. Let me know if you tried these before or what are your tips and tricks, as well as the brand lashes that you like to use. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put the links again to everything I use down below. I'll see if I can find a coupon code because you know I like to hook y'all up. This channel is a resource. I'm always here to help y'all, so let me know if you have any more video ideas. I love doing these beauty videos because honestly I think everyone should always try their best to look their best because you're going to feel and do your best. I say it like in every video because I dead ass believe that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow this channel and my vlog channel and my fitness channels and my TikTok, which is Chrissy the Doll. My Instagram, y'all, they're doing some crazy stuff right now. Somehow it got disabled. I'm trying so hard to get it back. So if you know anybody out there who can help me, please let me know. But yeah, my Instagram right now is temporarily having technical difficulties. So make sure you hit me up on my Facebook page, anything. Just look down below. I'll put all my contact details there. But yes, I have lots of free time now. I'm not on Instagram, so y'all gonna be seeing me a whole lot on here. So get ready for all these vlogs. Get ready for all these story times. Get ready for all my tips and tricks. Get ready on how to get to the bag. So I'm gonna be sharing with y'all all about my businesses and how you can start your business, how you can start your YouTube. So yeah, girl, this is like a blessing in disguise. But still, if y'all know someone who can help me, let me know. But I want y'all to know that I'm still here for you. I miss you. I love you. I thank y'all for rocking with your girl. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.